Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Omni Winter Care Pool Closing Kit. What is Omni Winter Care Pool Closing Kit? Omni Winter Care Kit provides everything pool owners need to effectively shut down their pools for the winter without worry. This kit includes Winter Shock to kill off any remaining organic contaminants, including bacteria, while Winter Care Algaecide eliminates the chances of any algae growth during the long winter months. The result is a pool that has few, if any, problems to clean up when you reopen your pool, saving you considerable time and frustration when getting your pool up and running. Product benefits. Comes with 1 pint of Winter Algaecide and 1 bag of Winter Shock. Treats up to 10,000 gallons. Comes with a pool closing guide. Be sure to check the instructions and the dosing chart before using. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.